In this video, you will learn magic of Excel, and that is the flash fill. Flash fill will really make your work very easy. Hours of work can be done in few seconds. Let me show you the magic of Excel. So here is my first example. So let's say if you have a sheet and you have first name and last name, and if you wish to combine first name and last name, and you have thousands of names like this, if you wish to combine, which formula normally we use equal concatenate formula. But now there is no need of typing concatenate formula. If you wish to combine, here is the simple method. So here comes the concept of flash fill, which is available in data tab. So I'm going to the data tab over here, and here you get one option, flash fill. Now I will show you step by step how do we use that, and for that we are going to take 4 different examples. It means 4 magical things I am going to show you. So here what the flash fill does is, you have to give one pattern to Excel, and then accordingly Excel will do it for other words. For example, here I have first name, here I have last name, and here if I wish to combine, I just have to tell Excel once how I need. So here first time I will type over here, I say Excel I need Nancy, then I need a space bar, so I have pressed a space bar, and then I need a word free heifer. Make sure you don't do the spelling mistake. So I'm telling Excel I want something like this, that's all. Press enter, and then you go to the data and click on flash fill, and your work will be done. Let's say I clicked on flash fill, and if you will see, all the names are combined. So for this you would have written a concatenate formula, but here what I did, I just typed first name, last name, and I just went to the data and I clicked on flash fill. The shortcut for this is Control E. If you press Control E, flash fill will happen. So I have just typed Nancy Freehafer, and I am pressing from the keyboard Control E. So I am pressing Control E, and my flash fill is done. It's so easy, friend. If this would have been thousands of records, your work has done in few seconds. Let me show you one more very interesting thing. This was combining first name and last name. What if you just have a full name in a column, and if you wish to extract from it, let's say if you will say, okay Ramzan, I wanted to extract all the first name, you don't have to worry. I will just come exactly opposite to this, and over here I will type Nancy. I wanted to extract Nancy from Nancy Freehafer, only the first name. I will press enter, and then what shortcut I will press? Control E, and all my first name is extracted. It's so easy to do. Let me show you the third example, and the third example is extract the visa number. For example, you have some visa numbers. This 3 letter denotes something. 4 letter, which is 4 numbers, which is in between, that denotes the year, and these are some of the unique numbers of the visa. And let's say if you will wish to extract all the last digits from the visa expiry date, it's so simple. No need of doing text to column, no need of doing the left formula. Here is the magic. So I will say from this data, Excel remove 8686, extract 8686. I will press enter. I can press Control E, or I can go to the data and I can click on flash fill, and here you go. The very interesting part is this. Here I typed only 4 characters, that is 8686, but Excel was so smart, flash fill is so smart, that over here he observed that after the slash this guy needs to extract. So from here he extracted 5 characters, from here he extracted 5 characters. He didn't extracted only 4, otherwise it would have been wrong. So this is one of the another magic of the flash fill. Let me show you the fourth example, and I have it over here, which is in the last sheet, last name. And here also I have a first name and last name combined, and here I wish to extract the last name only. So from this data I wanted to extract only Freehafer. So I will put my cursor over here and I will just type Freehafer the way I need. So I say Freehafer and I press enter. After that, what you will press? Either you can press Ctrl E, that is for flash fill, or you can go to the data and click on flash fill, and all your last name is extracted. So this way friends, you can use the flash fill and hours of minutes of works can be done in the second. So in the first example we combined first name and last name. In second example we extracted the first name. In third example I showed you how do you extract the visa number, which is very important. It can be the labor card number, it can be the some numbers from the passport. And in the last example we saw how do you extract the last name. There can be lots of example where you can apply on this. Don't you think was not it so simple? Make sure you practice and become good in Excel. Thank you so much and see you in the next video with more interesting tips and tricks. Till then, thank you so much and you take care.